Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to review this 1962 Mercedes 190 SL. Fully restored, cream with a brown leather interior. Car runs great, no major issues or leaks. It's 4-cylinder inline, 104 horsepower, I believe, 4-cylinder as I mentioned. It's got 2-barrel side carbs and the Solex carburetors. It's rear-wheel drive. When we get underneath it, you'll see it's got double wishbone, coil spring, stabilizer. This is one of the finest 1962 Mercedes 190 SL on the market today. Again, the paint is flawless, as you can see it, matching wheels, white wall tires, as I mentioned, brown leather interior, a very well done restoration. We will get in it and then go look underneath. Here's the engine bay, very clean. Those side-by-side carburetors, as I mentioned, inline 4 with, made, as most of you know, in Western Germany. Stuttgart. We'll do a cold start on this, and then we will raise it so you can see the underside. So there you go, there's the inline 4. Make sure it's cold start. I have to put the camera down because we'll have to. It's a push button start and get the choke out. Odometer reads 36,485. So the gauges, chrome on the steering wheel, radio. As you can see, the clock is actually working. In many of these older cars you won't see that. 4-speed. And again, as I mentioned, we'll turn the key here. Get the choke out. Push button start. See how the gauges work. Get the steering wheel out of the way. Tack. Sorry, I gotta hold the choke here, let it warm up. There. Make sure we're in neutral. And hear that little inline 4 run. Alright. Well, let's get this on the lift so you can see the underside. Again, very quiet. You're not hearing any knocking or ticking. Sounds the way it should. Battery strong. Again, no major leaks or issues. Tailpipe, and then we'll raise this up and you'll be able to see the underneath. I'll shut it off here. Again, one of the finest examples you'll see on the market today of this 1962 Mercedes 190 SL. Again, if you are interested, please give us a call at 941-355-1955, or please feel free to visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com to see one of the many vehicles we have in stock. You can see the C2 Corvettes we have. We have a Ford Expedition down there that is sold. 73 Corvette and a 68 sitting there, and a 63 C10 Chevy. Again, I want to focus on this beautiful, fully restored 1962 Mercedes. Again, in fabulous condition as you would anticipate after full restoration. I apologize for the lift noise here. And there we go. We are all the way up, set the safety, and we'll look underneath this. Again, very well done restoration. Everything is in great condition. Floor pans are solid. No issues, no rust to speak of. Exhaust is in good shape, as I mentioned earlier. Springs, shocks, all new. New fuel tank, muffler and tailpipe. And again, if you are interested, please call us at 941-355-1955. Thank you.